Good morning, my dear friends. A country or a nation becomes prosperous. There are many factors, but the most important factor is the physical health, mental health, social health, and spiritual health of the citizens, children, young generation of that country. First comes the physical and mental health. To keep the physical health and mental health in a very good position, sports and other activities connected with the sports are most important. It is the duty of governments at the township level, state level, district level, or the national level. So these are the various steps the health of the citizens are connected with. You can see this playground. It is surrounded from all sides by the spruce tall trees, green grass, completely free from pollution. Here the children, they play soccer. If from the very beginning children are persuaded to incline towards the maintenance of their body, physically, mentally, socially and spiritually fit, it is quite natural that the same children when grow up becomes top class sports persons. They participate in Olympics and other sports organized on national level, international level. So this is really wonderful. You just visit a park in the morning and just walk through the park. You'll feel you will be completely refreshed. Your mind will become very calm and quiet. Dear friends, now I'm standing in a park in Princeton area of New Jersey. See the birds, they are singing. See, they are dancing. They are busy in searching of their food. Cool breeze is blowing. Sky is fully clear. The birds, they are looking towards me. Something they may not like, because human beings becomes a sort of threat to their personal security. They want a very calm and peaceful environment. See, if you look all around, there are many birds. They are chirping, talking to each other, singing. What a wonderful environment, wonderful scenario. If you look, see how many birds are there. They are chirping, talking to each other, singing. Two birds are very near to me. See, this is the reason why USA medal tally is at the top in Olympics. Why? Because in USA, the administration on the township level, state level, national level, they are spending lot of money for the facilities of children, young people. Thereby, they shine in the international sports arena. Because from the very beginning, the children, their mind is completely molded. They give, in the school also, if you visit any school here, you will find that special attention is provided to the physical fitness of the students. And also education is imparted completely through a sort of practical methods. This is very good, because from the very beginning, if the children, they take care of their health, mental health, physical health, social health and spiritual health, definitely when they grow up and come into the field of practical life, they shine like anything. See, America stands first not only in sports. If you just see the Nobel Prize and all, every year 3-4 scientists, they receive Nobel Prize from American universities, institutions. So as a citizen of USA, I feel proud that I live in a country where the government takes utmost care for the happiness of her children, young men and adults. So you can see, even by seeing itself, you can feel what a wonderful place where the children they play after school hours, weekends and evening. See, so dear friends, some countries they do not take care of the health of their citizens. They spend money on other unwanted stuff. So now you can enjoy the songs of the birds.